Successful human beings always learn from their mistakes. So the biggest mistake I made was that I believed that the ex-army chief, who was then the army chief when I was a prime minister, I believed that he was working for the same for Pakistan just like I was. I felt that his interest and mine were aligned. And so I trusted him completely. And I gave him an extension. But then I realized that he was actually, not with me. He was working for these crooks. And these are the crooks. He did a conspiracy to remove me and bring them back again. So it's made me understand that, sometimes I've always been a trusting guy. I trust people. But, the mistake I made was I thought his and my objective were the same. And so therefore, it was a big mistake to trust him completely, and he brought this country now to its knees. So, that's the biggest lesson. And secondly, never compromise on the rule of law. So I would never so the lesson is, I would never take power again or form government again if I did not have the power to impose rule of law in Pakistan.